Okay, this is just a quick little video to show you how to use the groups that I created in Blackboard if you've never used groups before. So, as you can see, I'm on the landing page of our Blackboard site, which is always announcements. So if you scroll down past the little orange sidebar, at the bottom, it might be closed like this, you'll see a little tab that says My Groups. And this is for all the groups to which you are assigned. But more likely than not, you're only going to be in the one small team member, the teams that you're working in. If I expand this, you can see that according to this, I belong to all these groups. And I added myself to these groups just so I could see what it looks like for all of you. And so I could create this video. And I'm going to use the example group as the example for this video because I'm the only person in it, and then I don't have to deal with hiding student names. So if you expand the example group, or you see that they all have the same thing because you all have the same tools that I've allowed all of you. So you have the option to go directly to Collaborate, and Collaborate is Blackboard Collaborate. It's an online web platform where you can hold meetings with each other. So it's like Zoom, but it's just integrated into Blackboard. You could also use File Exchange, share files with each other. You could go to a group discussion board. You can send email to each other. You can go to the group homepage. You can customize the banner or the top of the homepage, and then you can customize the group color as well. Okay, so I'll take you to each one of these now. If you go to Collaborate, you'll see there's a group room that you can go to, and if you click the group room, it will open Blackboard Collaborate. So this is just, in case you want, for example, to have an online meeting with each other. You can also go to File Exchange, and in this case, you can add a file. If you add a file, you could either browse My Computer, you have to give the file a name, and then you click Submit. And that way you can share files with each other rather than emailing them back and forth. You have one central place. The other option, the other things I should say, is there's a group discussion board. This is the default group discussion board, and you can use it to start creating, threads and discussions with each other. Again, I'm just going to click OK because I don't want to create anything. You can also decide to create a new forum. And if you create a new forum, you give the forum a name, what next, and then you just give it a nice description and you click Submit. I'm not going to do that now. Then the other options include you can send email to each other. And you notice that my name is here, or my preview username, and you want to send this, you have to send it over like this. And then you can type a message, or that's the subject line of the message, then the message. And then if you click Submit, it'll send directly to, and you can see that it defaults to my Hunter College email. Again, I'm going to cancel. I don't want to send myself a message at the moment. And this is actually the home page. So if you click group home page, it would take you to this. And what this means is that you can, when it says customize group home page, it means that you can change things around. And maybe I want the group assignments there. The group assignments are for when I make assignments and assign them as a group, and you turn them in as one group. Okay, but you don't have to change this group homepage if you don't want. You can customize it as you wish. Okay. Then, in terms of customize the group banner, customizing the group banner means that you're changing the top of that homepage. In other words, you're going to add something to the top here. Okay. And you can change the group colors. Maybe I'll show you how to do that. Oops. Maybe I want to use these colors instead. And then I just choose Submit, and now you can see, well, that my colors have changed. And that's it. Again, if you're looking for your group, it's likely that it's at the very bottom, and you have to go down to here, past the little orange sidebar. You might have to expand it and see the groups that you are in. Okay, and that's it, folks.